Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about can Samsung Galaxy A55 5G run CarX Street smoothly on high graphics. Let's check it out. I have already installed this game from Play Store. As you can see, graphics quality is already high. Let's play the game. I have played this game on high graphics and I did experience some slight lag. I also noticed my phone is heating up. I hope this video gives you some insight into the game performance. If it does, please like the video and subscribe the channel.